this could be Vlogmas #1. Now, I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna do it or not because of a lot of things that are running through my head, if I can do it, if I have enough time, if I'll have enough things to film. But if you see this vlog, then welcome to Vlogmas 2021. I've done Vlogmas 2020, and I liked it because there was so many things happening. There was the lockdown, there was the announcement like overnight. I was working, I was finishing my last university project, so there was like so many things going on. But this year is gonna be a more chilled out, relaxed year. And if you are seeing that empty place that we used to have stuff in, and we used to have Simba's castle in there, that's where our Christmas tree is gonna go. And that is also what we are gonna do today. So I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come home from work. I finished work about 20 minutes ago, and I'm cleaning up the place really good so that we can decorate once he's here. And I've already got a wreath up, and I'm excited, and I am in the Christmas spirit. That's the update. Oh, and right now, let me show you what I'm doing. So I have one table, and there's two more tables in there because I went to B&M and I thought, oh, I'm gonna buy some tables because out of 3 tables, coffee tables, because ours is now broken, so we need to change it, one of them is gonna look good. So I bought like 3 totally different ones, and none of them actually works, so we have to return all of them. They were £60 for 3 tables, so they were really good deals. But we're probably gonna order one tonight off of Amazon. I have a few actually in my basket, and I'm gonna show them to my boyfriend and see what he thinks. But basically, now I'm gonna finish cleaning. I also bought a lot of stuff for me usually on Black Friday. So I'm gonna do a Black Friday haul with everything that I've got. And yeah, I'm excited. I am actually excited. I didn't think I was gonna be excited for Vlogmas, but now that I'm doing this, I actually enjoy it. So maybe I'll actually do it. Maybe you'll actually see this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up just to show me that you're still there. Good morning, is the 1st of December, and this is my first attempt to Vlogmas, but I'm not gonna do Vlogmas. I'm gonna call it something different because Vlogmas just seems like too much of a commitment for me, too much pressure, and I'm gonna call it something different. I'm gonna think of a name. But yeah, it's 1st of December. It's officially winter, but it's been winter, like weather speaking, for like a few weeks now. And let me show you the state of my house at the moment. So, Christmas tree is up. We have a wreath there, and then the rest of the decorations are laying on the floor, as well as our Black Friday packages that arrived yesterday. So that's it now. I'm gonna decorate it this morning, and just today I want to finish everything and make sure everything is nice and clean and organized. But until then, I'm gonna have my coffee, I'm gonna watch a video, and I'm gonna chillax. I've just made some breakfast slash gonna be my lunch, but interesting fact about me, So interesting fact about me, I used to hate tuna, like I never had tuna in my life. Until like a month ago when I made my boyfriend some tuna salad like that because he used to love it. And I just tasted it because it smelled nice. And oh my god, I fell in love with it. Like, isn't it just weird that sometimes your taste just completely changes? Like overnight, I liked eating olives, which I always hated and stuff like that. And now I am eating tuna, corn, and pasta salad, which I always thought is super, super gross. And now I would really like eat it every day. So that's what I made right there. And now I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna start working because it's almost 9 and today I'm working from home. So it's gonna be chill, but I really want to be productive because there's a lot to do until the end of the year and I would like to finish them all, potentially. Some days working looks like this. And that's just me in my bed, and that's usually the days where I don't have any meetings or any calls. I'm still super productive, but I just take it easy and I stay in bed and I just, yeah, take it easy. I do my work, but I do my work dressed super comfortably, sometimes in my PJs, sometimes not. I hear the birds chirping out my window, and that's one of my favorite days in the week when I get to do that. And it doesn't really happen that often, but when it does, I try to cherish it as much as possible. So now we're gonna work. In my breaks at work, usually I do chores around the house if there's anything to do. And today there's loads of things to do, like I showed you before. Everything's a mess, so I'm gonna start with getting some of the dry laundry and put it back where it belongs, making making the bed, and then we're gonna go downstairs and finish all the other bits and bobs. I am so happy with how I've cleaned and organized the upstairs. The downstairs is a mess, I'll show you in a second. But the upstairs, let me show you. So, let me show you the bathroom first. So, this is what I have organized. And now, it looks so much better. Simba agrees. We've also changed his litter to this other one that's like more neutral and nicer looking. And we're gonna throw away his ugly old one. This is how the hallway currently looks because there's a lot of laundry on there. And this is our bedroom, so ignore the bed because on the bed there's stuff for my boyfriend to check if he still needs and wears, and our bedding that we need to put back. But look how nice this looks. And I've also added Santa. And I've cleaned the mirror. And then I'm still in my PJs, yes. And I've put everything there, and everything's clean over there. And also on our little dumping corner, because we used to dump literally everything on here. You can't really see because there's no light, but now it looks like this, so it's so much organized, and this is actually empty. And yeah, this took me like a few hours. So now I'm gonna go downstairs. I need to hoover the staircase itself. But let me show you. Please don't judge me. So basically, before that, I'm gonna like warn you. So basically, what I've done today is like I've emptied everything upstairs. I've cleaned everything. I've reorganized everything. So there's stuff that needs to go in the shed, stuff that needs to go in the trash, and stuff that needs to be donated. And I've popped everything downstairs so that I can clear upstairs. And now this is how downstairs looks. There's plenty of stuff. There's our Christmas tree that looks nice. But I'm gonna have to go through these now. And they seem like a lot, but they're gonna be pretty fast because most of them are big items. So that's what I'm gonna do right now after I hoover the stairs. and nice and tidy. These are all the boxes that my boyfriend's gonna have to put in the shed. I still had some stuff to do and I still haven't touched the kitchen, but I've literally done this the whole day and worked. And I'm tired. I'm so tired. I can't even cook. Like, I've ordered some Deliveroo, but yeah. I'll just light all the candles now. I will open my advent calendars and Simba's advent calendar because he has one as well, and I'll call it a day. So let's light the candles.